Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Payslip WhatsApp connector in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This application enhances HR communication by integrating WhatsApp messages into the Odoo payroll system. It allows businesses to send Payslip notification directly to employee via WhatsApp, either automatically upon Payslip generation or manually through a quick action. With message history logged in the chatter, this module ensures timely, transparent, and efficient payroll communication within all Odoo environment. So, first of all, we need to go into the settings. Under user and companies, we will go into the users, and here we will go into the Michelle admin. Now, in here, under others, you will find a checkbox named Payroll WhatsApp feature. You can see the checkbox, enable that checkbox and save it. After that, we will go into the journal settings. Here in journal settings, you will find a header for WhatsApp configuration. Under that, you will find a field for WhatsApp token. Add your WhatsApp token, and under that you will find the field name WhatsApp instead ID. Add that and authenticate it. After authentication, you can see a boolean for authentication under here. It will be enabled after the authentication. After that, you need to enable the checkbox name send payslip detail in WhatsApp message. After enabling this checkbox, save all this information. Now, we will hop on to the employee. In here, you can see all the employees. We will go into the Anita Oliver, and you can see the private mobile of the Anita Oliver. Under private information, you can see her private address. Here you can see the name, city, state, and everything in here. After this, we will hop on to the payroll module, and here you can create a new employee payslip. Here I already have created for employee Anita Oliver. Add the period for the payslip. You can see the contract for Anita Oliver, add your reference, add your structure for the salary, select base for new structure, add your payslip name in here. After that, you can see a compute sheet button. Click on that and you can see 3 payslips are computed. Here in salary computation, you can see the 3 payslips. First is basic salary, second is gross, and third is net salary. After all of this, you will find a button for send by WhatsApp. Click on that button and a wizard will appear with the employee name, the message, and the attachment. You can select your attachment in here if you want. You can see the note in here. After that, you can see a send button. Click on that and you will be redirected to the WhatsApp. Here you can see the message is timed. Now click on enter to send this message. Here you can see the details, basic, gross, and every salary. Here you can see the message is sent to Anita Oliver with all the details of salary slip. Here you can see the URL also to download the payslip report. After this, again, we will go into the Odoo, and in here you will find another button named Direct Send WhatsApp Message. Now click on that button and you can see WhatsApp will be redirected to the WhatsApp, and you will see a direct message is sent to Anita Oliver. Here you can see the payslip for April 2025. Here you can see the reference, designation, date from to date to, basic, gross, net salary, and everything in here. You can also see the payslip report URL. After this, again, we will come here in the Odoo interface, and also you can see the log note for the WhatsApp messages. You can see these messages were sent on the WhatsApp. You can also check the log notes for that. After all of this, you can see a confirm button in here. When we click on the confirm button, you can see that it is in draft state right now. After confirming, it will go into the done state, and in here in log note you can see a message is sent to Anita Oliver again for the confirmation of the payslip. Here we will come to the WhatsApp, and here you can see the information for payslip confirmation is sent to the Anita Oliver with all the details and the PDF of the payslip. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.